Everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today, y'all, I have my Heaven Panty subscription and a little bit of friend mail. So if you are new to Heaven Panty, it is a monthly subscription where you spend $10 and you get one pair of panties sent to you, and you also earn a dollar for every dollar you spend for their store. So for instance, with your $10 panty subscription, you earn $10 in their store credit, and that accumulates and you can spend it on additional pairs of panties. So let's get into what they sent me for the month. This is what it looks like. Feels very recyclable. I do like that. I have a, let's see if I can get into it without making a mess. Might have to just go into the scissors. Y'all know how much I love my scissors. This is, I believe, my third month of the subscription, if I'm remembering correctly. Okay. Outer envelope, gone. Here is what they sent. So this is a resealable bag, and just zip the top off. Now you just go through their website. They ask you a little quiz. You figure out your size based on their measurement guide. It's really easy. Okay, so here is what they sent me. Very cute. Looks already like something that I'm going to really like. Black. I do actually really like dark because I wear a lot of black slacks to work every day. So I do like dark. All right, so let's take them off. Just onto a nice plastic card. Talks about the subscription a little. Returns if you're not 100% satisfied with your Heaven Panty. Excuse me. Sorry guys, I'm getting over a cold. You can initiate your return online. For sizing instructions, they do have like a part of their website you go to for how to basically update your size, pick your size. Preferences, if you want to change your preferences, you go to your profile, you go through the quiz. And then the care, they do have a spot on their website that talks about proper care of the panties. So there is also an interesting little bit of a social sort of assistance for you. The best time to make friends, if you give $20, you get $20 in store credit every time your friends subscribe to Heaven Panty. So if you leave a Facebook review, you get a $5 store credit. If you share photos of the Heaven Panties on Instagram or Facebook, you get a $5 store credit. And then if you go into their website and you review your panty for the month, you get $2 in store credit. So that's really helpful. Like I said, they are on Facebook and also on Instagram. So this is what I got for the month. They are super cute. There's the front. The back is very lacy, but not totally. They're very stretchy. Let's take a look at the quality. Y'all know I do like to review the quality. They do have a little tag there, and then they do have their tag here. MSRP on this is $15. Again, it is $10 to get it shipped to you. And that includes shipping in the mail, so that's not too bad. This one does have the cotton crotch. It's got a little pocket in it as well if you need that. So everything looks quite good so far. There's a little kind of fuzziness on this one. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but that might be due to the fact that it's a lace. The elastic looks really good. You know, it is lace. It's cute lace. So everything actually does look pretty nice. Yeah, these are cute. I definitely am not unhappy with these. So let me know what you think down below, guys. There is a little, it's really hard to see, but there is a little bow on the front. So pretty cute. This is not the only panty subscription I get. So if you guys have not checked out the other, I do have a playlist that has both panty subscriptions on it. This is, like I said, I believe my third Heaven Panty. I'm waiting for my third of the other one, Splendies. So by all means, check out the playlist if you want to check out both of them and determine if either one of them would work for you. So I did promise I also have friend mail. Miss Pinkee Jean, formerly of Jean's Junk. If you were trying to figure out what happened to Jean's Junk, her channel is now called Pinkee Jean, okay? She has a new channel. So she sent me some friend mail, and I always know it's Jean because she always sends some flamingo stickers. Right there. So let's see what Miss Jean sent me. Once again, I think I'm going to need my scissors. So yes, if you were confused and could not find Jean from Jean's Junk, she has a new channel. Again, it's called Pinkee Jean. I will definitely link it in the description so that you can make sure you find her new channel. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. It's enclosed in some tissue. Oh, Miss Jean, you're so cute. Oh, this is a great one. Tony Moly. I love it. It's a red wine mask from Tony Moly. And this one is I think it says you can leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. This is one I have used previously in the past. This is a wonderful mask. I do love Toady Moly skincare. Thank you, Miss Jean. She also sent from Be Pure some Smile Line gel patches. Ooh, Jean, thank you. Y'all, I have not tried this type of patch. If you look at the picture, they go right on your smile lines. That is so exciting. I can't wait to try that. And it looks like you leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. That's awesome. I can't wait to try that. Oh, and then she did send me, this is Intensive Eye Collagen Under Eye Pads. She got me all set up for masking. That is so awesome. Thank you, Miss Jean. And then what did she send here? Oh, she sent me a single. These are great to take for like an overnight travel or to have in your purse. They're the little single Neutrogena makeup removing towelettes. It's a single use. So you can throw this in your purse and throw it in an overnight bag to have it along with you for any kind of needs. That is amazing. I love that. You know, it's quite ingenious for like travel because honestly, they're single use. You don't have to worry about when you open up a big packet of the makeup removers, they start to dry out. So very cool. Perfect for travel. That is awesome. Thank you. And she says, thank you for support of my channel. Your support of my channel is amazing and I appreciate you. Says Stephanie, so excited you sent me such great things. Thank you, Miss Jean. I did send her a little friend mail. So thank you, Miss Jean, for your friend mail in return. It was not expected or required by any stretch. So really appreciate it. If you guys are new to Miss Jean, be sure to check her channel out as well. She is a sweet, sweet gal. She loves her flamingos. And yeah, fun lady. Do check her channel out. So let me know, you guys, what you think of my Heaven Panty. Like I said, I believe this is my 3rd month. Now that I'm saying it, I'll probably find out otherwise. But these look really nice. I am excited. And, you know, you can go from month to month and change up the size. Let's say you try a pair and they're maybe a little tight. You can go up a size. Maybe you try a pair and you're like, they're a little big. You can go down. You can always go into your profile and update anything you want. Maybe you decide you wanted to change up the style that you like. You could do that as well. So it's a pretty good subscription. Let me know what you think down below, you guys. Appreciate you guys checking this out. I hope you guys are having a great week. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.